Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts. Today we're going to be doing a short board removal tutorial for you today. It's a Samsung UN55TU7000. If you need any help or need to order any parts, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 and let's get into it. So we have the back of this Samsung unit laid out. It is a screwless back, so we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, just something to get into the holes here on the right and left side so that we can pry it up. We got our spudger so that we're not damaging anything on the inside. We do go into this in a little bit more detail in another video on our YouTube channel if you want to check that one out, but I'm just going to go ahead and get started on this guy right here. Basically, the gist of this is that you want to get the spudger in between the actual chassis of the television and the plastic back of the TV, and then you just want to slide it down along the side. You can hear those clips starting to pop away. And that's what we're looking for. And do keep in mind with these screwless back units, the larger that they are, the more difficult it is going to be to get these away successfully without cracking the back. And that is the ultimate goal here, is not to be cracking or fracturing or breaking anything. Right, I think we've got most of the clips down through the back of here. That's what I was looking for. And we should just have the top. We'll be good to go. And it is very important as we're doing this that you just be patient, take your time. You don't want to break anything. You don't want to fracture the back of this unit. The back plate, anyway. All right, I think that's going to be it. And this lifts just right up and away. Now we have access to the board. All right, so we do just have one board in the back of this unit. It is a combo power supply, main board, and T-Con. It's going to be very similar to removing those other boards anyway. But first, let's go ahead and get this speaker right here. Lift it up. Pops right out. It is stuck in here with these two rubber plastic blue plugs here. That is connected right here to this board. We want to pinch down on it, pull it straight out. We can just set that off to the side. This ribbon cable, flip it up with our finger. Ribbon cable just comes right out, no problem. You can move this tape out of the way. It was kind of keeping this cord right here in place. We're not going to need that for right now. You can put that back in when we're finished. This plug right here, we're going to pinch down on the two sides, and then we're just going to walk it away from the board, no problem. We're going to go ahead and get this tape up on that side as well. This plug right here, just pinch down on the two sides on those clips. Slowly walk it away from the board. I do want to make sure there's not any sort of screws. Sometimes there'll be one or two. Doesn't look like it here. There's one little metal nubbin right here that we're going to have to bend up and then slide the board over it. The whole thing should just start to slide out. And that's it. That is the only board in this unit, and that's all. That's going to be all for this very simple tutorial here today. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you do subscribe, you'll qualify for 20% off for your first order through TV Parts Today. And we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video.
If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.